Hi, here at H.Mitchell Car Sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2015 Mazda 2 1.5 SEL. This car's finished in jet black metallic paint. It's got the LED daytime driving lights, front fog lights, body coloured door mirrors. You also got the side repeaters in the mirrors. 15-inch alloy wheels, near side front, moving inside the car, you've got the blue cloth upholstery centre panels and charcoal grey side panelled upholstery. The rear passenger area, you've got room for 3 passengers in the rear of the car. ISOFIX fixing points for the baby seat. Near side rear alloy wheel. Moving down to the rear of the car. In the rear load area you've got the 60-40 split rear seat. This car's also equipped with the boot liner to protect the boot floor. Moving around onto the driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. Inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all round, electric mirror adjustment. This car's got electric folding mirrors. On the dashboard you've got the controls for the tyre pressure monitor reset, stop start deactivation switch and the lane departure control. So this car's done 44,052 miles. The centre console you've got the controls for the media navigation system and all the media system. So you've small volume dial, large dial which selects which function you're looking to use, home page, navigation and audio. 5-speed gearbox, USB and auxiliary port, 12 volt plug-in for accessories. And there's the place for the SD card for the navigation system. Air conditioning, so it's manual air conditioning on this heater system. So on the touchscreen media system, that's the screen for the navigation. Currently there's no SD card in there. Into the home page, so turning the dial, you're just a matter of selecting then which function you're wanting to use. So if you go into the audio, you've got the choice of FM, AM and DAB, Bluetooth connectivity, you've got the USB port, CD player and then the auxiliary port. So big choice for music selection. Your Bluetooth, so as you can play music from external devices. You've also got then hands-free phone operation. So controls on the steering wheel for answering and rejecting calls. You've also got voice control if your phone's compatible. On the other side you've got the control for the cruise control and speed limiter. So moving back outside the car again, identification plate that tells it's the Mazda 2 1.5, it's the 90 PS engine and this is the SEL model. Driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. We look forward to your inquiry. Bye.